What's going on YouTube? This is your boy The Vintage Man. We are back with another video, and today we have an unboxing straight from Yeezy Supply. Shouts out to the homie Tops World. He actually hit on these sneakers from Yeezy Supply. I think it was a couple weeks back when these joints released. I finally got them in. I'm finally showing you guys what we recently picked up, and they actually been sitting over there on the couch for a little minute. I'm just now getting to the video, man. I got a couple other videos planned for you guys that you might see before this video. Who knows? But we finally have these joints in today, and I think these be worth a lot more towards the end of the year. That's just my prediction. So with all that being said, man, make sure you subscribe to the channel right now. If you are new to the channel, we're trying to get to 40,000 subs. Help your boy out. Like I said, hit that sub button, hit the notification bell so you never miss another video that drops on the channel. And please smash the like button. That helps the channel grow. Just please, everybody watching this, let's get this video up to 400 likes, man. I know we can do it, man. And head over to Instagram. Give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. Be linked down below in the description box, man. So let's get straight into this unboxing from Yeezy Supply. Alright guys, like I said, man, shouts out to the homie Tops World. He hit on these joints for me on release day. I kind of already expected I wouldn't get these for a little minute due to all the shipping and stuff getting delayed. And I think they didn't even give him a tracking number until it was actually delivered to his crib, which is crazy. But he sent these to me 2-day shipping, man. Shouts out to you, bro. I appreciate it, man. And we are finally getting into this sneaker, man. Like I said, they've been sitting in the back on the couch. I kind of switched up the angle today, but they were sitting in the back for a little minute now. Make sure you guys go check out Soul Premise. I will link them down below. Save you 35% off using the code TheVintage. They got a lot of dope bags to offer you guys when you're traveling. Keep your sneakers secured, laptops, cameras, all that good stuff, man. So if you want to get some dope sneaker traveling bags, go check out soulpremise.com. It is linked down below in the description box, and use code TheVintage to save you 35% off, man. So let's get into it real quick. You guys already know when you get it from Yeezy Supply. I'm not too sure about Adidas app, but Yeezy Supply has the security closure tape on the box. I don't know if you guys peeped that out before. And yeah, let's go ahead and get right into it. This is a pair of 350s, man. Check it out, check it out. And I've been very interested to get these joints in hand for a minute now. I seen pictures earlier this year, and I was like, man, I really think I want to add those to the collection. You guys see my little small Yeezy collection over there. I got a couple more inside the box over there, but the Yeezy collection has definitely been growing over the past year, man. Since I got back to the States, I've been going crazy with the Yeezys, and this happens to be the newest addition to the collection, man. So let's read the official size tag real quick. Yeezy Boost 350 V2, Zion, 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 man. Check it out, check it out. You guys see it right there. We have the Yeezy Zions finally in the collection, man. So let's go ahead and get into it real quick. And yeah, brown tissue paper, you guys already know. And let's go ahead and pull these things out. We finally have them, the Zion Yeezy 350 V2s, and I definitely think these will be going for like $500-600 bucks by the time December comes. If not December, maybe around that income tax time frame, like February, March of next year. I think if you got a couple of these, if you got a lot of these, like to stock up on, I think you're gonna make a lot of money around that time period, man. So let's pull them out of the box real quick. All right. Go ahead and close it up real quick, man. And yeah, here we have it. Yeezy 350 V2 Zions. I finally have them. I think they're released back in July. So I've been waiting on these things for a couple of weeks now. We did a live cop for these joints, and a lot of people was having errors. A lot of people was having trouble getting through on Yeezy Supply and Adidas.com, man. It's been very hard. It's been very difficult copping online manually, and the talk of the time now is bots, man. It's bot nation out here. Nothing but bots have been taking these pairs. You know, usually the people you following on Instagram, you go and check after the release and see who hit on the pair, and you're not seeing a lot of your homies and a lot of your friends and stuff hitting on some of these sneakers, man, especially these joints right here. Even though it was a lot of these pairs made, a lot of these pairs produced, and a lot of people was getting through, the bots was the biggest winner of the release of these Zions 350 V2s, man. I really like them. I know the pictures that first came out, I think a lot of people was already hyped up about these joints, but actually having them in hand makes them look a bit different. You actually see like a brownish tint to the shoe all around, and of course you got that little gum outsole right here on the bottom. I really like that hit. And it also comes up on the heel of the 350 V2 Zions, man. So I know it's a lot of people comparing these joints to the Turtle Doves, and I forget the other Yeezy V1 that they comparing this to. I think it's just the Turtle Doves. If I'm wrong, you guys let me know the name of the Yeezys you guys think these look like down below in the comment section. But I think these are very fire, man. I know it's pretty late for a review over the sneakers, so I kind of want to talk about the release and kind of talk about how much money they probably be going for around December time frame. And I think they're going to be up there, man. It's not a lot of Yeezys that came out this year that I feel like were it. You know what I'm saying? I feel like these Zions are it. I feel like they fire, as some hype behind them. Regardless of how many pairs was released, they still going for a lot of money right now on StockX and GOAT and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and check real quick on my phone and let's see how much they're going for on StockX. See the lowest ask and the highest bid on these Yeezy 350 V2 Zions. So if I'm not mistaken, on the release date, they was going for around 350, 400 bucks, but now you check on StockX, you check on GOAT and stuff like that, they have them for around $275. That's the size 9, and I think that's the lowest ask. $275 is the lowest ask in the size 9. I'll put a screenshot up over here so you guys can check it out. But in the size 12.5, it's 311 bucks. Size 14.5, $300. Size 15. When you get into those bigger sizes, I feel like nowadays the trend is to sell and flip those joints because I feel like they are less produced in any line, Jordan 1s, Yeezys, and etc. We have seen it time and time again where Yeezy has released and they were going for right above retail, if not retail, and a couple months later you see them joints take off on the resale value. And I feel like these right here will definitely do the same thing along with the past Yeezy 350 V2 releases. Last year, a lot of people was tired of seeing V2s being made. There was so many V2s, reflective, non-reflective joints. And I feel like Kanye and Yeezy brand made a huge statement with these right here, with how many pairs they produce and how they don't look similar to some of the Yeezy 350 V2s we got last year. So right now in the comment section below, man, let me know if you hit on a pair of these Zions. Like I said, I got these. Shouts out to the homie TOPZ. He hit on them on Yeezy Supply on the live cop. I know you guys are watching that. I instantly sent him the money so I can go ahead and secure my pair. Got these joints to retail. Shouts out to you, bro. I really do appreciate it. And you guys, let me know down below in the comment section if you hit on these joints. Subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed already, man. Ring that notification bell for your boy so you never miss another video that drops from the channel. Smash the like button to go for every video. It's 400 likes. Please help your boy out. Let's get those likes up. Let's get to 400 of them things. Head over to Instagram, give your boy a follow at The Vintage World. Link down below in the description box. Thank you guys for pulling up to the video. We about to get straight into a quick on feed over these guys. Thanks for pulling up. And with all that being said, we about to jump straight into the on feed portion of these Yeezy 350 V2 Zions, man. Let's get it.
For those who surround you, need no funny kind. You can't see what's on my brain.